Hello everyone and welcome to this guide that will show with you how to cancel Pop AI subscription. So friends, first method you can do, you can go to your profile icons and then go to the setting. From the setting, as you can see here, I have just a free plan. If you have a premium plan, you will see cancel your subscription from here. So this is how you can do. I have a free plan. If you have a premium, you will see paid option from here, and then you can see cancel just like this option. Click, for example, this one, click I cancel and then confirm your cancellation. So you will see option here. This is the method one. If you have a second method, you can contact option us, go to contact us from this section, and then you will see email or phone number. Just call this number 6598616119 and then contact him via this phone, or you can use this email address to contact the support. Use this email and then you can cancel via email. So this is how you can do actually two methods. I hope this guide helpful for your friends. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more.